G'day folks, it's Ben here from Catch Pro Australia. Today I want to show you the light bar from Ballard. Now this is a USB rechargeable light bar. We've got heavy duty magnets under here. So basically anyone who is mowing at dusk or dawn, whether you're loading up early in the morning or have to unload late at night, or if you do have to tackle any of that mowing when it starts getting dark. So what you can do here is you can place this anywhere. It does have, you can adjust these feet here if you wanted to place it on the front of your machine. Just for video purposes today, I'm just going to bung it here. So you can see she grips nicely. Now these magnets are very strong. They're pretty aggressive, to be honest. So what you have under here, if you have it in this situation, you can operate it there, and then we have a flashing mode. Now obviously the lights are not showing up well because it's still daytime, so what we're going to do is flick back at night. Good evening, we're back here with the light bar. Now I'm going to turn it on, and it's got two modes. So this is the solid mode, and this is party mode. And so right now I'll put it back onto just the fixed light, and you can see how far it illuminates out there when it's on, and then when we turn it off you just can't see anything. Okay, so when we flick it back on we can see everything that we need to see in front of us, and that's the light bar. So thanks for watching guys. Jump on the website to order and get amongst it. Thanks.